just 1 point to the final of the Olympics. I feel sorry for Dimitrij Ovtcharov, although I love the Reagan, the best player of all time. But the final between a non-Chinese and a Chinese player should be more exciting. Ovtcharov said, "It was probably the hardest defeat I have ever experienced. Tough to find the right word right now, so short time after the match. Even though I lost MaLong many times before, I have strongly believed I could get the victory today. Unfortunately, it was not meant to be. Sometimes it is tough to understand in sport why a match goes one way or another when it's just about one ball at the end." What a thriller! MaLong beat Dimitrij Ovtcharov by 4-3, 13-11, 11-8, 9-11, 9-11, 11-7, 5-11, and 11-9 in the semi-final, and will meet Fan Chengdong in the final of the men's single at Tokyo Olympics Games. Look at the score, it is very close. I have the feeling that Chinese players are still very strong, but they are no longer in a state of domination. The foreign players will approach the level of the Chinese players, so the battle is harder and harder. This is a good sign of table tennis. So maybe in the next Olympics a non-Chinese player can win the gold medal? Who knows? It was a very hard match, so the whole Chinese team has cheered up for MaLong at the end.
我觉得最主要因为其实上一场樊振东跟林如的比赛也是打到最后一局，其实也最后那1-2分球，可能跟其他比赛以往别的比赛确实有所不同嘛，因为奥运会梦想每个人。
In the post-match interview, MaLong said he had prepared for the hard fight against Dimitrij Ovtcharov. Leading 2-0, he missed quite a lot of opportunity in the third and the fourth games. The opponent made variation in serve, and he had some issue on receive. In their last encounter in German Open last year, he noticed the serve variation but still did not handle them well. He tried out many receive, and in the deciding game he started as fresh and handled better. For the final, he knew he will be in the lower hand but want to enjoy the game.
能够打进前4，肯定他昨天也是0-2落后，8-4、4-8，包括1-7落后能够咬回来，肯定说明他的状态非常好。然后，自己也上前也做好困难准备。其实第一局自己4-8落后能够赢下来，包括第2局其实打得也还挺顺利。我觉得
Look at the head-to-head score. MaLong has won 17 times. Dimitrij Ovtcharov has never beaten MaLong, but this time MaLong is pushed to his limit. He narrowly escaped the defeat. MaLong lose a lot of strength from his prime. Dima has been very close to him. Dima never has a chance to win MaLong again, the biggest opponent of his career, if MaLong retires. Sorry for Dima. The match is not won until the very last point. There are no easy matches at the Olympics. I may have beaten Ovtcharov many times, but for him to make it to the semi-final also show he cannot be underestimated. I'm happy I was able to beat him again today, said MaLong. I'm really disappointed. This was my lifelong opportunity in my sporting career to reach the Olympics final. I really prepared myself well for the Olympics. I was truly convinced that I could beat MaLong today. I did all I could, but unfortunately, it was not good enough, says Ovtcharov. By watching the game, I can see that Dimitrij Ovtcharov has played very well. He improved a lot of his forehand topspin attack. He can forehand to forehand topspin against MaLong, or maybe MaLong is too old and he is no longer as powerful as before. At 3-3, the last set, we can see Ovtcharov's forehand is very strong. Normally, it would be the main advantage of MaLong. In the end, MaLong is more stable. Win the final forehand topspin, he won the amazing game. What a beautiful match. Both use on skills. Congratulations to both players.
Halo.